Hello, my name is Aathityaa. I'm 14 and my project is about SDG Goal 13 Life on Land. My project is this cleaning up. So you have to clean up the land, and every time you pick up a piece of trash, your points increase and your difficulty will also increase. But if you injure an insect by touching it, your score will go down and your difficulty also will go down. What I found hard in for this was inserting the graphics, but I looked back at my notes and fixed that. And if I had more time, I would have added more levels and more graphics. Thank you.